Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to change negative numbers to positive in Excel. We can do this in the same cells or in different cells, and I'll show you both. Method 1, change negative numbers to positive in the same cells. Let's start with the same cell method. First, type -1 in any empty cell. 2, copy that cell by pressing Ctrl+C. 3, now select all the cells that contain negative numbers. 4, right-click and choose Paste Special. 5, again, click Paste Special from the options. 6, under the Operations section, select Multiply. 7, in the Paste section, you can choose all except borders if you want to keep the original cell borders. 8, finally click OK. And that's it. All your negative numbers are instantly converted into positive values, right in the same cells. Method 2, change negative numbers to positive in another column. Now, let's see how to do this in a separate column. 1, click the cell where you want the positive number to appear. 2, type an equals sign. Then select the first negative number cell. In my case, it's B3. 3, then type +(-1) at the end. So the complete formula will be equals B3 times -1. 4, press enter and that number will now appear as positive. 5, to apply this formula to the rest, hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the cell. When the plus sign appears, click and drag down. All the negative numbers in the new column are now positive too.